In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your recently watched reels on Instagram. First, open Instagram and head over to the Reels tab. If you recently watched a reel, you can sometimes find it again by scrolling up. The last few reels you watched may reappear in your feed if you reopen the app soon after. The next method is if you interacted with the reel, for example, if you liked, commented, or saved it. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and open your activity. From there, tap likes to see reels you've liked. Tap comments to find ones you commented on. Tap save to view any reels you saved. If you shared a reel with someone, it'll also appear under content you shared in the reel section of your activity history. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't currently have a dedicated watch history tab for reels. But there's one last method. You can request a data download from Instagram on a computer. This file includes your watch and ad history, though it takes more time to set up